Hello everyone, this is video number 4 on determinants, and in this video we will start exercise 4.2. In previous video we learned the properties of determinants. Now we will use all this property in this exercise. So our first question is, using the property of determinants and without expanding in question number 1 to 5, prove that. Our first question is, there is a first column x, y, z, second column a, b, c, and third column x plus a, y plus b, z plus c equal to 0. We have to prove the value of this determinant which is equal to 0. So by taking LHS. So this is LHS. First column x, y, z, second is a, b, c, and third is x plus a, y plus b, and z plus c. Okay, observe this determinants. Here x plus a, y plus b, and z plus c, a, b, c, and here also a, b, c. Suppose if we subtract from C3 minus C1 or C2. If we subtract C2, then ABC cancel out, and if we subtract C1, then XYZ cancel out. So here we do on C3 minus C1. So first two column as it is, XYZ and ABC as it is. Now XYZ are subtract from C3. So XYZ cancel out, only ABC remaining, A, B, and C remaining. So here two columns are equal, identical, A, B, C, A, B, C. Since C2 is equal to C3, so value of this determinant which is equal to 0. Now second, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, B minus C, C minus A, A minus B, and C minus A minus B, and B minus C, which is equal to 0. So once again, by taking LHS and observe this determinant. Here A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A, if we add C1 plus C2 plus C3 on first column, or one more option, R1 plus R2 plus R3 on first row. So here we do C1 plus C2 plus C3 on first column. So on C1 we make this operation C1 plus C2 plus C3. So A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A. Let's see here. This is A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A. Same as B minus C, C minus A, and A minus B. And last C minus A plus A minus B plus B minus C. So plus A and minus A cancel out, minus C and plus C cancel out, and minus B and plus B cancel out. Similarly here. So in first column you will get 0, 0, 0. If all the elements of any one row or any one column which are zeros, then the value of determinant itself is 0. When we expand along with first column, then all elements are 0, so the value of determinant is 0. Now third question. Question number third. First column 2, 3, 5, second is 7, 8, 9, and third is 65, 75, and 86, and right side once again 0. So once again by taking LHS and observe this determinant. 65, 75, and 86, there are very big numbers, so we want to reduce into smaller number. So let's see here, 7 9s are 63, and 8 into 9, 8 9s are 72, and 9 into 9, it means 81. So this second column multiplied by 9 and subtract from C3. So here we do one operation on C3 minus 9 times C2. So first two column as it is, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 as it is. Now from third column subtract second column multiplied by 9. So second column multiplied by 9, so 7 into 9, that is 63, and 65 minus 63, it means only 2, this is 2. Now 75 minus 8 into 9, 8 into 9, 72, so 75 minus 72, that is only 3, this is 3. 9 into 9, 81, so 86 minus 81, 86 minus 81, that is 5. So this is 2, 3, and 5. Once again observe here, first column and third column, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, both are identical. All the elements of first and third column are same. So once again the value of this determinant which is 0. Now question number 4. First column 1, 1, 1, second is BC, CA, AB, and third is A in the bracket B plus C, B in the bracket C plus A, and C in the bracket A plus B, and once again target is 0. So once again by taking LHS and open this bracket, so it will be AB plus CA, BC plus AB, and CA plus BC. Write in cyclic order AB, BC plus CA. Now once again, this is AB, this is BC, and this is CA. AB, BC, and this is CA. AB, BC and this A. So suppose this C2 if we add in C3. So here we make operation on C3 plus C2. So first two column as it is 1 1 1 BC, C and AB as it is. Now second column add on third column and write in cyclic order AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA. Once again AB plus BC plus CA, and third also AB plus BC plus CA. So it's clear that from third column we are taking AB plus BC plus CA common out from this C3. So right here AB plus BC plus CA, which is common out from C3. First column which is 1 1 1 1, second as it is. Now third column which is only 1 1 remaining because AB plus BC plus CA which is common out. So once again here two columns are identical, C1 and C3. So value of this determinant which is 0. So AB plus BC plus CA into 0, that is 0, which is our RHS. Now today's last question, question number 5. B plus C, C plus A plus B, this is first column. Second Q plus R plus P plus Q, and third is Y plus Z, Z plus X and X plus Y, and our target is 2 times. In first column ABC, second is PQR and third is XYZ. So by taking LHS, if we add R1 plus R2 plus R3 on first row, R1 plus R2 plus R3 on R1. So let's see here A plus A, that is 2A, B plus B, it means 2B, and C plus C, that is 2C. So 2 is common, so only A plus B plus C remaining. Same as here, P and P 2P, Q plus Q 2Q, R plus R 2R, so 2 is common, so in the bracket P plus Q plus R remaining. And similarly here X plus X 2X, Y plus Y 2Y, and Z plus Z 2Z. So once again 2 is common, so only X plus Y plus Z remaining. And in next step 2 is common from first row R1, 2 common out from R1, so write 2 here. So first row which is only A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, and X plus Y plus Z, and second row and third row as it is. Now C plus A, this is A plus B plus C on R2 and R3. On R2, if R2 minus R1, then C and A both are cancelled out, only minus B remaining. Similarly here R and P cancel out, R and P cancel out, only minus Q remaining, and X and Z cancel out, only minus Y remaining. So R2 minus R1, this is first operation, and one more R3 minus R1. So first row as it is A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, and X plus Y plus Z. Now second row minus first row, so once again C and A cancel out, only minus B remaining. P and R, this is P and R cancel out, only minus Q remaining. X and Z cancel out, only minus Y remaining. Now R3, A plus B cancel out, only minus C remaining. P and Q, P plus Q cancel out, minus R remaining. And here X plus Y, X and Y cancel out, only minus Z remaining. Now if this is minus B and this is minus C, this is plus B and plus C. So if we add on R1, once again R1 plus R2 plus R3 on first row, if we add this second and third row, then B and C cancel out, only A remaining. So B and C cancel out, only A remaining. Here Q and R both are cancel out, only P remaining, and Y and Z cancel out, only X remaining. Now the last step, minus sign common out from R2 and R3. So it will be minus minus plus. So first column ABC, second column PQR, third column XYZ. This is our RHS. Okay, thank you guys, and if you have any doubt, then watch this video again and again. Once again, thank you for watching this video.